you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure.
What are we doing today?
We are going on a super ultimate tour, which is the island hopping tour here in Coron'S.
Nice. So this is the rooftop terrace of our hostel. Some stunning views. Look at that. Take a look at that. So how are you?
I'm a little bit sick.
Bit sick?
Yeah,
Bit peely?
I'm taking antibiotics as well because of my cut on my foot.
Oh gosh, yeah.
The bacteria, it's like antibacterial antibiotics. So.
But you're still going on a big super ultimate tour.
Still going on a tour.
That's how we roll.
The sea is going to be my medicine. Coron'S is quieter than El Nido, but it has the same, if not even more, natural wonders that will blow your mind. We decided to explore Coron'S hidden gems by taking a super ultimate tour that allowed us to see most of the highlights in just a day. We had a really cool group of people. There were 15 of us with 10 different nationalities.
For the takeout, I would like to greet you. Have a nice day.
I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around.
The first stop was Barracuda Lake. It's famous for its diving spots, and this area has both fresh and salt water. We jumped in, enjoyed a bit of snorkeling. We even tried to swim down to where the people were diving, but that definitely wasn't possible. After spending about half an hour at our first stop, we went to the next stop, which was Twin Lagoon. The Twin Lagoon is also called Hidden Lagoons, just in case you've heard of it like that. There's two small lakes that are created inside the limestone cliffs and are fed by this beautiful turquoise water from the ocean.
Here you can either swim or you can hire a kayak that was actually included in our tour. And then we went underneath the beautiful limestone archway to get to the second part.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just...
After exploring the second lagoon, we came back through the archway, and one of the instructors ensured us that we could go under the limestone archway without catching our faces, which was a very, very, very scary moment, but we survived.
That was amazing. Thank you so much.
And on our way back, we passed a big group of people who were attached to one another while exploring the lagoons, and they were chanting and singing national anthems, which was hilarious to watch.
Forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
At our next stop, we explored a sunken Chinese fishing vessel that actually simulated the growth and development of an amazing reef. And along the way, we saw a few rubbish bits floating in the ocean, and I don't know about you guys, but we want to see the ocean clean, so we picked it up.
Our next stop was Coral Gardens. We spent a little while here snorkeling. The name says it all, really. This spot is home to rich biodiversity, beautiful, beautiful fish, and we felt that diving wasn't really necessary because we kind of got to see everything here.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Our last and final stop was Kayangan Lake. This lake is surrounded by a beautiful forest, and it takes about 15 minutes to hike up with approximately 300 steps. We're still walking to the lake.
So the scenery will be well worth it. It is stunning. However, you do have to bear in mind that there is a big, large set of steps and a few hundred people ready and eager to get that special selfie of the Coron Bay. Well, that's it, everybody. Only kidding. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.